Hi everyone, how are you? Today we have a very interesting topic, comparative and superlative adjectives. The comparative form is used when you compare two things, two people, two, okay? The superlative form is used when you compare three or more. Three people, three things, three or more. Okay, so we have the comparative form and the superlative form. Look, the comparative form, the first type of adjective that you're going to find is an adjective that is normal, and you only have to add er, like for example, warm. You have warmer. Now, the second type of adjective is a short adjective that has the sequence consonant, vowel, consonant. In that case, you double the consonant, okay, and add er. We have hot, hotter than, double T. Than is the word we use to compare when we mention the second thing that we are comparing, okay? Number 3, the third type of adjective that you can find is a long adjective, okay? More than 2 syllables. In that case, what you're going to do is to add the word more, and you do nothing to the adjective. Look, beautiful, more beautiful. We don't change the adjective. We don't change the adjective at all. Okay, you only add more beautiful. The fourth type of adjective that we can find is the adjective ending in Y. In that case, you're going to drop the Y and change for I. Look, easy, easier than. We drop the Y, we change for I. Another example, pretty, prettier than. You drop the Y, you change for I. Finally, we have some adjectives that are irregular, okay? The most important irregular adjectives are good and bad, the opposites. Good changes to better than. It's another word. This is the adjective, good, comparative form, better than. With the adjective bad, we have the form worse than, worse than. As you can see, since these are irregular adjectives, they change completely, okay? They are not following a rule, they just change, okay? So those are the five different types of adjectives that we're going to find when we try to use the comparative form. The same goes for the superlative form, but remember, when we compare 3 or more things, we need to use the superlative form. It is a little bit different. Take a look. In this case, we're going to use the definite article the at the beginning, okay? The first type of adjective is the normal short adjective like fast, okay? And we need to add the and then fastest. You're going to add est to the adjective and we get The fastest. This is one type of adjective. It is short, it has nothing special, nothing different. The second type of adjective is a short adjective with a sequence consonant, vowel, consonant. Take a look. I have the adjective big. Superlative form, the biggest. Double G, E, S, T. Double G because we have consonant, vowel, consonant. Okay? Now, the third type is a long adjective, more than 2 syllables. In my example, I have the adjective interesting. I need to add the words the most interesting to the adjective. The most and then the long adjective. Don't change the adjective. You don't have to change anything in the adjective, okay? Only add the most interesting, the most beautiful, the most important, the most expensive, okay? The most. Fourth type of adjective, an adjective ending in Y, like easy. Drop the Y and add est. The easiest. Easy, the easiest. You drop the Y and add IEST. Change for I. Okay? And the fifth type of adjective, again, is going to be an irregular adjective. The two most common adjectives are good and bad. They are irregular, and we have a form for each of them. The superlative form of good is the best. Okay? The superlative form of bad is the worst. The best, the worst. This is a new word. This is a new word. As you can see, you don't follow rules. That is why they are called irregular. I hope that you can start using comparative and superlative form correctly. Remember, a very effective way to practice your grammar is to read something in English, watch a movie in English, listen to music. You can watch to your favorite videos in English using subtitles in English. Practice, practice. Remember, my favorite saying is practice makes perfect. We need to practice so that we get familiar with the different words, the different grammar that we learn every day. Okay? Have a great day. Enjoy your evening. Bye bye.